Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable fusion of power, convenience, and portability, making it an ideal choice for urban commuters and adventure enthusiasts alike. With a robust 1000W motor, this bike achieves speeds exceeding 30 miles per hour, providing an exhilarating ride that can effortlessly tackle steep hills and varied terrains. The acceleration is impressive, allowing riders to zip through city traffic with ease. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its 48V 20AH removable battery. This high-capacity battery not only extends the range but also supports longer rides without the constant worry of running out of power. The removable design is a game-changer. You can easily detach the battery for charging indoors or store it securely when needed. With a full charge, users can expect a range of up to 50 miles, depending on factors like weight and terrain. The folding capability of the bike is another significant advantage. It can be easily folded down in seconds, making it incredibly convenient for those with limited storage space or for commuters who need to take it on public transport. The construction quality is reassuring, with a sturdy frame that feels robust yet lightweight. The bike comes equipped with front and rear disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power even at high speeds. The comfortable seat and adjustable handlebars help accommodate various rider sizes, making it suitable for a broad demographic. The LCD display provides essential information, such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled, helping riders stay informed during their journey. While the bike is not the quietest, the sound of the motor adds to the thrill of riding. In summary, the 1000W folding electric bike is a well-rounded option that combines speed, range, and practicality. Whether for daily commuting or weekend adventures, it offers an exciting and efficient way to travel. Though it may come at a higher price point, the quality and performance justify the investment.